Assistant Teacher Social Science, Morning Shift, National Idol English Version School. Today I am going to take a DGS class for class 8. The topic for today is socialization and development. So let's get started. At first we will go through the definition. Socialization. Socialization is a process by which we learn lots of things to be a part of society. That means by this process we learn knowledge, skills, language and values to be an acceptable person in society. It's a process of lifelong because it starts from our birth and it ends till our death. So this is a process which is very important for a person to be a social person in a society. And then development. At first you have to know what is development. Development is a positive change. That means whenever we are changing something for a positive purpose, that means we are making development. In our society, we are learning things or we are changing our attitudes to be a better person for the development of society. That's why socialization and development is interrelated. I have written here something like by attending rules and regulations, a person becomes a part of the development of society. That means whenever we are learning something, rules, regulations, culture, habit or attitudes, these are for the purpose of making the society better. So right now we will be discussing about the impacts of institution in socialization and impacts of factors of socialization, which is very important for our study today. At first you have to know what is institution and what are factors. Institution means it's a structure, it has rules and regulations and it is bounded with some relationship. Suppose if we give an example that a family is the institution of our society. Family has father, mother, brother, sister, all are these and they are continuing their relationship with some rules and regulations and show the relationship. So whenever we see a person like a male person and a female person and a baby walking on the road, we can say it's a family because we know what is the system or what is the communication process of family. That's why we can say it's a family. That means the institutions are visible. On the other hand, about factors. Factors are all about understanding. Because whenever we are talking about factors are not that it can be seen, it's invisible. It are all about understanding and the feeling. Like whenever someone saying something to do, it is a part of factor. Factor means criteria or reason or the fact. So we have to learn institution and factors differentiation to know their impact on society. At first, impacts of institution in socialization. First one is family. Family is the first and foremost agent of socialization in the society because from the family a child learns love, respect, care, passions, all the things which is very important to be a social person. That's why the impact of family is very important. And then local society. At first we have to know what is local society. Local society is the place surrounded with me or with you. That means the neighbors, the market, the clubs, the sports club, the debating clubs, like musical stations, all are the part of local society. Through local society, a child learns behavior, approach of speaking, attitudes, different kinds of things. Let's give an example. Suppose you have gone to a debating club. You are learning here that how to debate, what are the purpose of debating, what is the objective, and how to work or how to do the things in a debating club. So in this way you can learn a different thing to be a better human because you are learning things to develop the society. That's why local society helps you in many ways to be socialized. And the same age group, or in your book it is written as same age companion. I wrote here same age group, all are the same. Same age group means the people whose age is same and they used to play in playground or do their study because they have specific classes according to their age. And in the group they learn how to deal with others, how to communicate, how to cooperate, how to maintain the leadership. And this way we can be a better person because through leadership, through cooperation, through fellow feeling, we can be a better human That's why same as companions has a great impact on socialization. And last one is educational institution. Educational institution means the place where we go for study, for knowing lessons, for knowing discipline. Discipline is very important part for our society because without discipline we can be a good human. We can run a society without the discipline. So discipline, and because in your school you have to wear uniform, you have to maintain the timing, you have to respect your teachers, you have to abide by the teachers and rules and regulations. So that's why this is very important in our educational institution to learn the things which a society is accepting from you. So this all about the institution, and let's talk about the factors. At first, imitation. Imitation means the things which we copy of others. The process by which we copy of others, this is called imitation. A child from his or her beginning of life learns to imitate others without knowing anything. So this is a very important topic. Without this we can be a better human, because whenever we see something we learn this process, how to do or how to deal with. This is not that in imitation only child are included. Actually most of the elder or older person are also included, like in business, in cultural activities, in politics, in all of this. And that's suggestion. Suggestion is invisible because factors are invisible. Suppose I saw two people are talking in a road, and but one is suggesting someone to do something, but I am seeing they are talking, but I don't know they are suggesting someone. That's why factors are not visible. In suggestion, we say someone to do something which is good for him. If I try this and I get this is beneficial for me, then I can accept this and I can do this thing for a better human. So suggestion is very important. And then incorporation. Actually incorporation is a part of entertainment for the child. From the beginning of the child, a child does anything without knowing or unconsciously. They just want to find interpretation in that. So incorporation is a way by which a child finds interpretation or be entertained. Let's give some example. A child incorporate with music, rhyme books, toys, or colorful things, or different kinds of sounds. All these are things which is incorporated in this process. And then language. We know for a society or for the people of society, language is very important. If we go to another country, we can connect or we can communicate with them without the language. It is said that in a family, if a person is born, if there is no person can speak, then the child who is born in that family, he will not be able to speak. Because a child learns language or learns to speak with the help of the others in the family. So if there is no language in a family, then the child will not learn the language, but they will use the language which is sign language. That's why language is very important for society. So these all the factors and institution whose impacts are very important in socialization. In this part, I have written a part that creative question, and the STEM is Asif studies with the help of different apps from phone, but Arif studies in library and does group discussion. There are two types of study here. One is study with the help of information and technology, and one is study with the help of group discussion. I mean, does study in library. You got a question in your model test, and all of the students make mistakes in that question. That's why I am rediscussing this question right now, and which is related to our discussion today. The first question is, which medium is used in Asif study? So we can say that Asif studies with the help of different apps from phone. That means the medium which is information and technology that is used in Asif study. So you can at first you can start with information and technology is used in Asif study. This is the first line, and then you will go from the text, the uses and the explanation about information and technology, and then you will be writing the conclusion. Remember, the conclusion will be more than 2 lines, with the collaboration with STEM and conclusion. And then the other question, Arif's activities refers to which institution of socialization? That means, remember, here is the word institution, it's not the word factors. Most of the students in your model just make mistake that Factors and institutions. You did differentiate with the factors and institution. You have written the answer in the way the answer is suggested. Actually, the answer will be same age group, because in same age group, whenever we are doing study, we are the same age people, we are the same classes. That's why institution will be same age group. So the answer will be right the same way I have discussed here. So students, hope you understood today's topic. That's all for today. I hope you are doing your study properly and maintaining rules and regulations and obeying your parents. Stay home, stay safe.